Good morning to all. Mm, Today we are discussing in chemical reaction engineering a new chapter we already started, but in today's lecture we discuss about the characteristic and the uh, also we discuss the main mechanism for the catalyzed solid catalyzed reaction. In previous lecture we are discussing where we are already discussed the what is catalyst and what should be the types or important characteristic to do the solid catalytic reactions. So solid catalytic reactions are mainly two characteristic. First one is that selectivity and second one is activity. Okay, so these terms are important for the solid catalytic reactions. Now how can we define the activity? It can be defined as a it is a measure of the accelerating effect that can catalyst has one of the rate of reaction. If the for the rate of reactions, it it is a measuring it is a measuring the thing that is acceleration effect. uh, what what can I say that before using a catalyst and after the using a catalyst, the difference between them is that the reaction when the reaction is start, the reaction rate of the reaction should be increased by using this catalyst, and it is accelerate the reactions. So it is called activity. And what should be about the selectivity? It refers the an ability of catalyst to speed up the main reaction in presence of several side reactions. सेलेक्टिविटी का मेन पर्पस और क्या है? Which is referred, it is referred as a catalyst to speed up. Okay, इसका मेन फंक्शन जो होता है वो क्या होता है? Speed up the reactions, speed up the main reaction in the presence of side reaction. Okay, now let us check the characteristic of catalyst reactions. If the reaction is take place and in which we are using a catalyst, so what should be the minimum uh, requirement, or we can say that a characteristic of the reactions? So first one is that a catalyst remains unchanged in its amount and the chemical compositions. Okay, first the reaction as per the reaction start, the catalyst, it should not be changed, it remain unchanged. Okay, and the amount will be the similar as it is, and the compositions of the end of the reactions, catalyst का जो amount और the proportions है वो change नहीं होता है. ठीक है. Second, a small amount of catalyst is often sufficient to catalyst speed up a reaction. It is not necessary that the a particular amount of catalyst is required, but small amount of the catalyst is enough to speed up the reactions. Okay, and also it depends upon the reactions. A catalyst does not change the state, it means the positions of chemical equilibrium of a reactions, since it does not depend upon the pathway of the reaction. Okay, a catalyst है वो क्या है, which cannot change its state. Okay, जो कैटलिस्ट है वो उसी के फॉर्म के अंदर रहेगा, वो चेंज नहीं होगा. ठीक है. और इट डज नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन द पाथ ऑफ द रिएक्शन, रिएक्शन के पाथ के ऊपर डिपेंड करता नहीं है. एंड the catalyst is usually specified in nature. it इसको specify किया जाता है. the characteristic क्या है वो? Catalyst reaction generally has a lower activation energy than the non catalyzed reaction. कैटेलिटिक रिएक्शन जो भी है उसके अंदर एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी वो क्या होती है, कम होती है. compared to the non-catalytic reaction. Consequently, the catalyzed reaction proceeds at a faster rate. ओके जो कैटलिस्ट रिएक्शन होती है वो क्या होता है the speed of the reaction should be very fast. Okay, let us see the graph so that then we can understand more. First, catalyst is able to speed up the only those reactions that are thermodynamically feasible, okay, which is a temperature specified, pressure, volume. Okay, so catalyst is useful or a speed up which types of reaction, those reaction whose are the follow the rules of thermodynamics. Okay, it lowers the activation energy of the reactions. Okay, activation energy is required very low. In other words, it reduce the potential energy behavior barrier over which a reactant must pass to the pass to form of products by providing a different path to product and accelerate the reactions. What is the role of catalyst here? The catalyst is that thermodynamically, first of all, it is the thermodynamic dynamically feasible. The next second one is it having a lower activation energy. So what should be the lower activation energy? It performs that means it reduce the activation energy, that means a potential energy from a reaction, and it gives a sufficient path to the reactions, and it create a different path to the main reaction. So basically what exactly happen, the reaction can be takes reaction should be very fast. Okay, and it gives a product. The lowering of energy barrier, the lowering of energy barrier activation energy show in a figure. So here is the graph, energy of reacting materials versus reaction pathway. Okay, so first one in initial stage, the different reaction path like 1 and 2. Okay, so one reaction 1 is a reaction path without a catalyst. Without a catalyst, the path of the reaction is given in a 1. And second, reaction pathway catalyst lower energy barrier, the path of the reaction 2. Okay, तो फर्स्ट के अंदर हमने यूज नहीं किया है कैटलिस्ट, और सेकंड के अंदर हमने यूज किया है कैटलिस्ट. So basically from the graph we easily can say that the energy is required for the material it should be very high, and the other thing is that the reaction for the uh, second, acquires low energy compared to the first. Okay, so here is the complex, and his one is the product. Okay, now this figure indicates that energy diagram of uncatalyzed and catalyzed reaction. So effect of use of catalyst, since the internal surface of a commercial catalyst is many times greater than its external surface. A catalyst reaction takes place mainly at the surface of the pores in the catalyst gain. Now, a mechanism of solid catalyst reaction. What are the main mechanism? So first step involved in a solid catalyst fluid phase reaction. First, diffusion of a reactant like a species A from the bulk fluid phase to the external surface of the catalyst through the film fluid film. मतलब reactant species A નું ડિફ્યુઝન ક્યાંથી થતું હોય છે? તો કે બલ્ક ફ્લુઇડમાંથી, બરાબર, ટુ ધ એક્સટર્નલ સરફેસ. ક્યાં અને ક્યાં થતું હોય? તો એક્સટર્નલ સરફેસ ઓફ ધી સોલિડ, ઓફ ધ ફ્લુઇડ. ઓર surface diffusion step may involve the adsorption of the reactant on the catalyst surface reactions on the surface or a description of the product. એટલે ટૂંકમાં કહીએ તો the surface diffusion steps, it may be involved in that case the adsorption or the adsorptions of the reaction should be occurs. Okay, now second, diffusion of the reactant from the pure diffusion of reactant from the pore mouth into the uh, catalyst pores. So the greater proportions of the reactants molecules diffuse inside the pores of the catalyst and the diffusion step. એટલે exactly what here do, એટલે કે જે ડિફ્યુઝન થાય છે એટલે કે શું થાય છે? ધ પ્રોપોર્શન ઓફ રિએક્ટન્ટના જે મોલેક્યુલ્સ હોય છે એ ક્યાં ડિફ્યુઝ થઈ જાય છે? ડિફ્યુઝ ઇનસાઇડ ધ પોર. જે કેટલિસ્ટના પોર્સ છે ત્યાં શું થઈ જાય છે? ઓફ ધ કેટલિસ્ટના જે પોર છે ત્યાં સુધી ડિફ્યુઝ થઈ જાય છે અને આને કહેવામાં આવે છે પોર ડિફ્યુઝન સ્ટેપ. નેક્સ્ટ, adsorption of the reactant on the catalyst surface. એડઝોર્પ્શન થાય છે ક્યાં થાય છે રિએક્શનની અંદર? તો કે કેટલિસ્ટની સરફેસ, એક્સટર્નલ સરફેસ પર જ થાય છે, એક્સટર્નલ એન્ડ પોર પોર સરફેસ પર, બરાબર. જે કેટલિસ્ટ છે એ ક્યાં થાય? કેટલિસ્ટની સરફેસ પર જ થશે. ચોથું છે chemical reactions of the adsorbed reactant on surface of the catalyst A to R to form of the product. Surface reactions કહેવાય કે જે chemical reaction છે of adsorbed reactant, બરાબર, adsorbed reactant on the surface પર થશે એને કહેવામાં આવે છે surface catalyst reaction. Desorption, બરાબર, adsorption નો total opposite, desorption of the product. For example, like R, બરાબર. So from the surface to the fluid phase near the surfaces. And fifth one, uh, to the sixth one, diffusion of desorbed product from the interior to the catalyst to the pore mouth at the external surface. That means external surface પર જે થાય છે એટલે કે reverse pore diffusion, back diffusion. Okay, so catalyst it should be back diffused. Okay, and seventh one, diffusion of the product from the external surface into bulk fluid phase through the film surrounding the catalyst. It is a reverse external diffusion. It is called reverse and also external diffusion. So here step 1 to 6 and 7 is the diffusion step. 1 2 6 and 7. Okay, diffusion of desorbed product from the interior surface, it can be called that a reverse pore diffusion, and the seventh one is diffusion through a product, which can be said that a reverse external diffusion. Okay, and the step 3 4 5 is a reaction step. Okay, reaction step is occurs at the 3 4 and 5th. Okay, surface reaction, catalyst reaction and the surface reaction. Okay, then collectively 3 4 5 may be regarded as a surface chemical reaction. It can be regarding as a surface chemical reactions. The overall rate of the reaction is equal to the rate of the slowest step in the mechanism with a porous catalyst. Diffusion with a catalyst pores may limit the rate of the reaction. The overall rate of reaction can be defined as that the minimum slowest step in the mechanism. જે મિકેનિઝમની અંદર નાનામાં નાનો જે સ્ટેપ છે એની વાત કરીએ with the porous catalyst. Okay, and the diffusion within a catalyst pores which can be limit the rate of reactions. Okay, when a porous catalyst particle is immersed completely by the reactant A, so the rate of reaction A for the whole practice may be depend upon the one more following factors. So that can be depend upon the factors given below. Okay, કે જ્યારે સોલિડ કેટલિસ્ટ હોય છે બરાબર, તો એ શું થતું હોય છે ઇમર્સ અથવા કવર થતું હોય રિએક્ટન્ટ એ દ્વારા, તો એ એના રિલેટેડ જે ફેક્ટર છે કઈ રીતે કન્સિડર કરવામાં આવે છે એ આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચર.